Welcome back to ClearTask. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to add your phone number to your Ubisoft account. This is incredibly important for keeping your account secure, enabling two-factor authentication, and playing ranked matches in games like Rainbow Six Siege. Let us get started. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the official Ubisoft website. Once you are there, sign into your account using your email and password. After you have successfully logged in, look at the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile icon to open a drop-down menu. From that menu, select Account Management. This will open a new page with your account details. On the left side of the screen, you will see a navigation menu. Click on Account Information. Now, look at the main section of the page for the box labeled Private Information. Click the Edit button right next to it. Scroll down a little bit until you see the Phone Number section. Click on Add a Phone Number. A prompt will appear asking you to type in your phone number. Make sure to select the correct country code, then enter your number. Once you are done, click Save. Ubisoft might send you a verification code to confirm the number, so simply type that in to verify it, and you are completely done. Your phone number is now linked to your Ubisoft account. If you found this guide helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to ClearTask for more simple and direct tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.